As a part of Go for Peace project progress, implemented under Interreg Central Europe program 2021 till 2027, the Administration of National Park Poloniny with headquarters in Stakčín organized first joint Transnational strategy conference, which took place in Osadné from January 28 to 30, 2025. This event brought together all project partners as well as associated partners and stakeholders from Slovakia, Slovenia, Italy, Hungary, Romania, Belgium, Poland and also from Ukraine. It was a unique opportunity to discuss the challenges we face in protection and management of World War I heritage in Central Europe. On first day, project partners presented progress in activities from the previous period, which primarily focus on preparatory work and laying the foundation for upcoming activities. Each partner also presented their expectations and plans for further activities, as well as their work within Work Package 1 and Work Package 2, which are crucial for the next period of implementation of Go for Peace project.
I think that World War I is an important part of the Carpathians. It's their history, the region's identity. Very strong fights here were here in the Polish-Slovak borderland, and this remnants of the past, this heritage is preserved here, protected by different regulations, by the national law, but also with the efforts of many entities like local authorities, like National Park, NGOs, and even volunteers, so people itself. And this heritage we believe it's a great factor for the promotion of the region, and that's why, as a Carpathian region, we decided to include the World War I heritage as a part of our brand, the Carpathia brand, managed and created by the association. We strongly believe that if this heritage should exist in the knowledge of the people, but to do it we need one management model, one governance model, and that is the idea of the project and our main activity within the project, to create one united and integrated governance model to make this heritage well known in the knowledge of people, to cause that the people will come here to the region, not only from different country but also from abroad. And I think that events like this one today, so the conference, is a great part of the communicating the project to the audience. We invite you to involve in the Carpathia World War I, as the heritage of World War I is an important factor within the Carpathia. Its pillars like authenticity, multiculturalism and the Carpathian space.
And the second day of conference focused on the presenting activities within Work Package 1 and Work Package 2, where lead partners of these work packages presented the achieved results and discussed the next steps within these work packages. They highlighted the differences between countries and the need for a multi-level cross-border governance model which will be tested in Work Package 2. Discussion also covered the project communication activities, where the communication manager presented the expectation and next steps which are important for improving the Go for Peace project's visibility and awareness.
Over the next few months, we'll test and pilot the governance model, we'll visit the different regions here in Europe, and we'll share all the experiences and the knowledge of the things that we've learned over the past few months, and we're really excited to see in what it evolves.
We, as lead partner of Work Package 1 of this huge project, have been working really hard in the last 6 months with the aim of mapping the governance model of World War I heritage across Europe. We collected more than 200 surveys, analyzed regional models aimed at developing and evaluating World War I heritage in this area. And we are right now here at Poloniny National Park to move on a step further. That means to go on creating a new innovative multi-layered governance model and to shift best practice to mature area to the existing area that have a low level of maturity, creating a new and innovative model that can provide us a huge network of European integration.
After lunch, participants took part in excursions to selected World War I monuments in Poloniny National Park, including World War I cemeteries in Stakčín at Príslop, World War I cemetery and wooden church in Topoľa, and the crypt of fallen soldiers in Osadné.
Nice to be here in this part of Slovakia, also for us, for Slovenian partners who are researching, protecting, managing, promoting First World War heritage. It is first experience, what we all experience and see in these last days. And this conference is very important because we will do next step together to create transnational story of how to work on, to cooperate together on the base of the First World War history and heritage in different parts of Europe, because First World War heritage is also responsibility, but also an opportunity for all of us, for different territories from east to west, from north to south of Europe, which can encourage us to work together, to cooperate, to meet each other, to understand each other, what is really important also for the European projects. And what we would like that next year, when the project ends, on the end of, let's say, September, October in 26, the most important institutions for all included countries, from Italy, Slovenia, Belgium, France, Germany, Austria, Slovakia, Poland, Ukraine, and maybe even somebody else, sign a commitment for future cooperation based on all these experience which we all have, and with the focus to work on together also after project ends.
The last day of the conference was open to the public and provided an opportunity to present Go for Peace project and its results. This was followed by a panel discussion with experts on the World War I heritage in Poloniny National Park and Northeast Slovakia, focusing on its significance for regional development and how these monuments support sustainability.
It is good news that even in Slovakia there are institutions that perceive the importance of caring for the heritage of the First World War and the necessity of the intersectoral cooperation. The administration of Poloniny National Park, the Monuments Board of the Slovak Republic, and also beautiful municipality Stakčín in Poloniny.
The protection of World War I and other military heritage is not just a local issue, but an European challenge. Collaboration within Go for Peace project is key to preserving these monuments for future generations. By working together, sharing knowledge, and cooperating across borders, we can make our effort more effective and keep the memory of our shared history strong across Europe.
I would like to thank all of our foreign partners for a lot of knowledge and inspirations for our future work.